Attention schools! Graduation season is almost here. As you prepare to celebrate your hard-working students, ensure that the stage will be easily accessible to everyone on their special day. If your school has students who use wheelchairs or have mobility limitations, a roll-a-ramp portable ramp system can provide access to the stage so everyone is fully included. Roll-a-ramp can hold up to 1,000 pounds, and you can change the length of your ramp at any time as your needs change. Plus, roll-a-ramp is easy to set up and simple to store between events. No special tools are needed. And don't miss out on special spring pricing. To order, call 1-866-883-4722 or email sales@rollaramp.com. Our North Dakota-based team is excited to provide your roll-a-ramp stage ramp in time for graduation celebration. Roll-a-ramp is where strength and flexibility meet.